Jamilex Hernandez! Jamilex!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is Nell 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Just in, we finally have a new queen for Miss Universe Latina 2025 and she's none other than the stunning Jamilex Hernandez. Sa isang gabing punong-puno ng Latina fierceness, glam at confidence, napabilib ng husto ni Jamilex sa lahat ng judges at fans. Ang kanyang elegance, intelligence at powerful stage presence ang nagdala sa kanya sa pinakahihintay na corona. Grabe yung impact niya during the final Q&A. Calm pero may conviction, may grace pero may tapang. Si Jamilex Hernandez ay isang proud representative mula sa Dominican Republic, known for her advocacy on women's empowerment and youth education. Hindi lang ganda kundi substance talaga ang baon ni Queen. Isa rin siyang model at TV personality sa kanilang bansa. Kaya naman sanay siya sa spotlight, but she still brings authenticity and heart sa bawat interview niya. The Miss Universe Latina 2025 Coronation Night was held in a spectacular venue filled with cultural heritage and modern flair. The production was world-class, high-fashion runway, strong advocacy segments, and of course, Latina energy na walang kapantay. Standouts din ang mga kandidata from Colombia, Venezuela, Puerto Rico at Mexico. Pero at the end of the night, si Jamilex talaga nagsilbing pinaka-well-rounded queen. From pasarela to personality, nakuha niya ang kiliti ng audience at puso ng mga judges. New crowned as Miss Universe Latina 2025, she is officially part of the Miss Universe 2025 season. Abang natin kung paano siya maghahanda sa laban. Malaki ang posibilidad na maging strong contender siya on the Miss Universe stage dahil well-trained, experienced at may solid na support system from her national organization. Congratulations once again to Jamilex Hernandez, our newly crowned Miss Universe Latina 2025. If you love this kind of update, don't forget to hit that like button, share this blog, and of course subscribe for more real-time pageant news. Let me know sa comments if do you think Jamilex is ready to conquer the universe or may mas malakas pa rin kaya from Asia. This has been your pageant insider, your Nell 2204 signing off for now. Bye mga ka-pageant and see you on our next video.